Now we have given two functions, f and g. First, we have to find the values of f of negative 2. So we have to find where x is equal negative 2. We have negative 1, negative 2, and our f function is blue. So we have to go down to this point and just read value of f of negative 2. It will be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. So we have answer for first question. F of negative 2 is equal negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, negative 5. Negative 5. Now we have to find value of g of 4. Let me write this. G of 4. Our g function is pink. And we have to find where x equals 4 first. We have 1, 2, 3, 4. And we have to go up to this point and check value. It's 1, 2. We can say almost 2. So g of 4 is equal 2. Now we have to estimate the solution of equation f of x equals negative 1. Value negative 1 is just here, it's negative 1. So we have to draw the line parallel to x-axis and check where this line passes our f function. In this point and this. So let's check. We have negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, 5, 6. This is negative 6. And this point will be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we can say 5.2 almost. So we have solution for B question. F of x is equal negative 1 for x equals negative 6 and x equals 5.2. So we have solution for the second question. Now we have to find for what values of x f of x is equal g of x. So we have to find the point where these two functions pass. So we see this point and that point. So we have C question, f of x is equal g of x, and we have to find for which x. For negative 6, for x equals negative 6, and this point will be, we have 5, it's almost 6 we can say. So the second solution will be x equals 6. So we did the third question. The fourth question is on what interval is f decreasing? Decreasing, it means where we are walking on the f graph, our function going down. We see when we start from that point, because this f function starts just this, we are going down, 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 until this point. Yes? Let's check for what x. It will be almost negative 0.2 from negative 7. So we can write the f decreasing for x belongs to interval from negative 7 to negative 0.2. Now we have to find the domain and range of g function. So let's look on our pink graph, because g is pink. The domain, it means we are just walking on the x-axis. And we see our graph start from that point and going to this point. So let's check. It's negative 6, it will be negative 7. So we can just write E. The domain will be x from negative interval cross on negative 7 to, let me read this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right to 8. Close on both sides. And the range, when we are looking for the range, we have to just walk on the y-axis, and we see our graph start from that point. This is 1, 2, from negative 2, and is going to this point. So we can write y belongs to interval from negative 2 to, let's see, 1, 2, 3. 2, 3. This is our range. Now we have to find the domain and the range for the f function. So let me write this. We have f question, the domain. When we are looking for the domain, we have to just walk on the x-axis, and we see our f function start from that point. It's again negative 7 and is going to this point. Let's check 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the domain for the f function is x from negative 7 to 7. Close on both sides. And now we have to look on our range. When we have to find the range, it means we have to walk on the y-axis. And we start always from negative value. The graph on the f function start from that point. This is for, let's see, negative 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's negative 6. The graph starts from negative 6 and is going to that point. Let's read this. Is 1.5. So we can write the range for f function. Y belongs to interval from negative 6 to 1.5.